Hello and welcome to this new episode of MVD Surgery Center. Today I am with Mr. Gite, who was operated for very severe right-sided trigeminal neuralgia in 2017, that is 3 years back, and he has come for a routine follow-up. So I want to ask him a few questions for the benefit of the patients who are suffering like him and to give him new hope. Let us hear from him how the pain started and how the things unfolded. नमस्कार. तुमचं हे दुखणं जे आहे ते सुरू कधी झालं?
2014 पासून.
So this pain episode started in 2014 and it was initially अधिक दाढ दुखायची in the V3 division on the right side, and then it progressively spread up towards the V2 division and V1 division, and the pain was very severe. Initially he went to a dentist and I think few दात काढले होते ना तुमचे, few teeth were removed mistakenly of course, and then the diagnosis of neuralgia was made. He was referred to a neurologist, put on very high doses of medications. Those medications would give him lot of side effects and they did not help him in relieving the pain. In spite of the medications he would get pain. मग औषधं घेऊन सुद्धा दुखायचं.
त्यांनी सांगितलं आयुष्यभर औषधच घ्यावी लागतात.
So he was told that your fate is such that you will have to be on medications like this, though they are troubling to you in other respects. They are causing side effects, but you have no choice but to continue on the medications. Nothing could have been far from the truth, as we will come to know. आता औषधं चालू असताना त्यांना जे दुखायचं ते कसं दुखायचं? रात्री तुम्ही मला म्हणलात ते
वेदना व्हायच्या.
हां.
जर ती सनक किंवा कळ जर आली
हां.
तर ते अगदी असे डोक्याला हात लावून असे करायचे. एकदम खूप वेदना,
रात्र व्हायचं.
असह्य वेदना व्हायच्या. थोडे झोपायचे, पुन्हा उठले का पुन्हा उठून बसायचे. रस्त्याने आम्ही चाललो, रस्ता क्रॉस करायचा असला तर तिथंच रस्त्यात मध्यभागी जरी त्यांना ती कळ आली, तिकडून गाड्या येत असल्या तर ते जागेवरच थांबवून असे करायचे. मग मी हात करायचे, त्यांना एकट्यानं जाऊ पण देत नव्हती मी बाहेर.
So she is telling us that he had to spend many nights in severe pain, in spite of being on very high doses of carbamazepine and pregabalin. What she is telling us is that the pain used to be so severe that even while crossing the road, if he got the attack of this pain, he would just become frozen in the middle of the road. He didn't bother whether he would be hit by a vehicle, and he would just stand there holding his head and shaking his head. So this gives us some glimpse into how severe this pain is and how much these people are suffering, and that is why it is called as suicide disease. People who do not get the proper information about this disease and possibility of cure, they have committed suicides, and that is precisely the reason of making this video. This is a series of videos actually. Trigeminal neuralgia in most of the cases can be cured. Yes, it is a fact. And at Microvascular Decompression Surgery Center at Pune, we have believed in the philosophy of MVD surgery because this is the treatment modality which has got the highest potential to offer cure. Smaller procedures done peripherally on the nerves or burning the nerves or giving radiation from outside to the nerve, they are all destructive, and it has been proven that there can be recurrences. We believe, at least in our unit, that microvascular decompression is the treatment of choice in majority of the patients, provided you select them correctly. Otherwise, their lives spiral down into a very bad pain syndrome, and the life itself loses meaning. The patient starts moving between the two extremes of pain and drug-related side effects. So, how can we avert this vicious cycle? That's exactly the thought that we had in mind in 2005 when we started the MVD center, and we decided that we will create a team which will progressively become more and more expert in performing MVD surgeries, which will help us to improve the efficacy of the surgery, that is success rate of the surgery, and to reduce the potential side effects. And I'm glad to say that over the period of 15 years, we have performed more than 1300 microvascular decompression surgeries for diseases like trigeminal neuralgia, glossopharyngeal neuralgia, and cases of hemifacial spasms. And the success rate in trigeminal neuralgia in our series has been 98%. I think it is one of the good success rates in various series in the world, and the credit goes to the entire team of the MVD Center in Pune. And आता हे होऊन किती दिवस झाले तुम्हाला? 3 वर्ष झाली.
3 वर्ष झाली.
सो 3 years are over after surgery. आता दुखणं गेलं पूर्ण ना.
पूर्ण काही नाही.
सो ही इज टोटली पेन फ्री. आता औषधं काही घेत नाही.
काहीच.
सो ही इज नॉट टेकिंग एनी मेडिकेशन्स. तुमचं सर्जरी झाल्यानंतरच दुखणं गेलं ना.
हो,
हो,
सर्जरी
सर्जरी
झाली.
झाली.
So ever since the surgery, that is from the next day, his medicines have stopped, and it is 3 years now, and he is pain free. So he is leading normal life. तुम्हाला अजून काय सांगायचं?
आता म्हणजे ते 7-7, 8-8 दिवस 15 दिवस शेतात काम करू शकतात. ते सर्व्हिसला होते, परंतु अगदी म्हणजे 5-6 किलोमीटर चालतात रोजचे.
So his wife is telling us that he is walking 5 to 6 kilometers every day. He is working in the fields. He is able to attend all the functions.
आणि डॉक्टर आम्हाला देवासारखे वाटतात, म्हणून आम्ही पुण्याला आल्यानंतर त्यांची विजिट.
So she is very grateful. So she is saying that we feel that MVD Center for us is like God. This is normally the reaction of the people. Of course, it is out of their gratefulness that they say all these things. But it gives us some idea of what trigeminal neuralgia can do to a family, to a person. And it is, in my opinion, criminal not to give this option of MVD surgery early in the course of the disease to prevent the chronic pain syndrome. The choice, of course, ultimately remains with the patient whether to undergo the surgery or not. But to give proper information, to tell him that there is a center in India, maybe only its kind in Asia like that. It exists in Pune, which is near Mumbai, and it has been functional for 15 years, not 1 or 2 years, 15 years. It has got a team dedicated to perform microvascular decompression surgeries, and it has got patient support program. It has got patient counseling program. So it is very important that these patients know about this disease and they are given the options to actually decide regarding surgery. Thank you very much. Thank you.